friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a cute apple house. So let's get started. First of all, let's draw an apple. Like this. I have made a special video on how to draw apple. In my playlist you can check it. How to draw fruits and vegetables. You can learn from here if you don't know how to draw an apple. Just draw an apple like shape. Okay. Now let's make a window inside the apple. Draw a small rectangle for that. We are showing an open window here. So let's draw the doors first. First door and another door. Okay, now we will draw the outer area of our window. Okay, draw the hearts in the doors of window. Okay, so this is our window. Now we'll show a curtain here. And let's make a flower pot which is placed in the window. Okay, so now let's draw some grass here. I have also made a separate video on how to draw the grass. Go and check out my playlist for that. How to draw nature. Here you can find many tutorials like how to draw trees, how to draw grass, how to draw clouds. You can learn it from there. Okay, now let's draw a pole, wooden pole. And draw a string that is attached with the house, as we are showing that clothes are hanging outside the house. To make it a real village-like feel. Tie a knot. And that's it. Just make a towel that is hanging over the string. Okay. Okay, now draw two pots here, flower pots, or you can say pots in which plants are grown. Draw some flowers in this pot. And the other pot. Okay, so our cute apple house drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. Color the apple with this red color. Brown color in the string and the wooden pole. Let's do some gray color in the window. On the outer of window, we'll do some gray color. Green color here. Let's do the doors of window. So friends, our cute apple house drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Threads. So please keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care.